Working principle of white ash ball press. The working principle of the white ash ball press is to send the white ash raw materials into the machine through a specially designed hopper and conveying system. Inside the machine, the white ash raw material is continuously extruded and rotated through the action of a number of high-pressure rollers so that the raw material forms a round ball. At the same time, the machine will adjust the pressing force and pressing time of the white ash according to the set pressure and time parameters to ensure the density and uniformity of the ball. As a result, the white ash material is pressed into a strong and compact sphere that can be easily stored, transported, and used. The whole process is efficient, fast, reliable, and stable, and does not require the addition of additional chemicals in line with environmental requirements.